Apex Peptides is marketed as a peptide brand offering products for muscle growth and performance enhancement. But the real question is, do the results actually match the claims, or is the marketing getting ahead of the science? Now, to be fair, peptides are a real area of scientific and medical research. Certain peptides are being studied for hormone signaling, tissue repair, metabolism, and recovery-related effects. What it does well, peptides are not fake science. Some peptides have legitimate medical or research applications involving healing, hormones, metabolism, or recovery. The brand appeals to biohacking and fitness communities. Products like these are popular among gym users, anti-aging enthusiasts, and performance-focused buyers. Where the hype starts getting dangerous, the marketing often outruns the evidence. This is the biggest issue. Many peptide companies imply dramatic fat loss, muscle growth, anti-aging, or healing results without strong, large-scale human evidence. A lot of products are sold as research use only. That wording exists for a reason. Many peptides are not fully approved for mainstream medical treatment or long-term consumer use. Quality control can vary heavily between peptide companies. Purity, dosing accuracy, and manufacturing standards are major concerns in the peptide industry. Some claims sound almost pharmaceutical level. Ads sometimes imply effects comparable to prescription treatments or performance-enhancing drugs. So, do Apex Peptides results match the claims? Short answer, sometimes partially, but the marketing likely exaggerates the consistency and scale of results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.